Hello and welcome back. My name is Sebastian. We're back at the Ledger Series. This is video number 6 in the series. We're going to go through some more steps, so let's just dive straight in. I have my Ledger Live open on my computer, and as you can see, I've got my Nano X here, and my secret recovery passphrase right here. Let's click Next Step, and now a genuine check of the ledger is going to take place. So click Check My Nano. Let's put in our PIN code 0, 1, 2, 3 and submit. Go to the dashboard, push the right button, and then push the two buttons together. Now we have to allow Ledger Manager. Push the two buttons together if you want to, or push to the right and deny it if you want to. We're going to allow, and we are all good. Now click Continue, and as you can see, I've got this Update Firmware banner. So let's click on Go to Manager. This is going to load. We're going to update our firmware, so click on I have my recovery phrase. The reason why they ask this is because every now and then a firmware update will actually do something to either erase or break the Nano. It happens rarely, but it's always important that you have your recovery phrase stored somewhere. Now click Continue, and we'll just wait for the update to download. Okay, that's installed. On our device, push the right button, and then push the two buttons together to fully install it. The firmware has updated, and it's restarted. Now let's put in our password. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now of course, just as a reminder, I'm using a 4-digit PIN initially, and at the end, once it's all set up, I'm going to change it to an 8-digit PIN, and it's never going to be as simple as that. It's not going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be something quite complex, but something I can also remember. And now the next step is to install apps. Click on Install Apps. Allow the Ledger Manager. You can install what you want, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But we're going to do Solana. So just type in Sol and then click Install. Just as a reminder, the Trezor hardware wallet does not support Solana at this time. And currently it's July 2022. Our Solana app is now installed, so let's click on Manage My Accounts. Open the Solana app on your ledger. Here we're adding our new account. Let's change this to Solana Tutorial. Then click Add Account, and then click Done. Now we can go to the left hand side and click Receive, select our account, Solana Tutorial, then click Continue, and now it gives us an address, GKHY, etc. We can also click on Show QR Code if we're sending this from say a mobile wallet or maybe crypto.com, etc. What we have to do now is that the pub key, so the public key, what other people can see, is the same. You can go through each number and letter, but all I tend to do is look at the first 4 and the last 4 characters, and I make sure they're all completely correct. So GKHY, that's correct. And the last 4, capital J, lowercase o, capital V, and capital T. That is all correct. Now let's go ahead and just copy the address. Address copied, and now I've got my browser open. I've got the Phantom wallet up here, and I've got the Avana wallet as well. These two wallets are hot wallets, and they have the same seed phrase. I'm going to send 0.1 Solana from the Avana wallet to this address. You can either click on Sol or just click on this button up here. Here's Sol. Let's type in 0.1, which is just under $4. Paste in the recipient. Double check the first 4 and the last 4 characters. With this one over here, it is correct. Put in a message if you like, but that's not necessary. Then click Send. Transaction is confirmed. Let's do it with Phantom. You can either click on Solana and send it from there, or just click Send, Solana, paste in the address, double check the first 4 and the last 4, type in the amount, then click Next, confirm the transaction here, and then click Send. That transaction has sent as well. So now this wallet has 0.8 Sol, and 0.2 Sol is in this address. Now on the left hand side, if we click on Accounts, we can see our wallet has 0.2 Sol. So at present, it has under $10 worth of Solana. So that's how you set up the Solana app on your ledger and how you send a little bit of Solana to the wallet initially. That's all we're doing in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll cover a little bit more information with regards to seed verification. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and to share this with your friends. The more people that have ledgers, the less hacks we have, the better the ecosystem. Thanks again. Cheers.